Hey guys, so today's video is a little bit of CNC router time. I've got a customer that needs some routed Ultrboard in matte black, and so the laser is not ideal for that, so the CNC router will be used. So they gave us the vector art, and all we got to do is lay it out in a more efficient way to cut it efficiently on the router, and this is part of that process. Here you go. Alright, so we're doing our editing in FlexiSign. So I basically take the art that was provided, we ungroup it, and we copy it, paste it down below. Then we're going to use the True Shape nesting tool that's built in, and I'm going to assign the sizing. I'm basically doing these at 23 inches by 23 inches with up to a 0.4 inch gap between them. And it basically creates them for me because we're basically going to be routing 24 by 24 panels at a time. So this basically gives me the option of creating those panels. So I just output each of the panels for the router because we're doing this on our Shapeoko XXL. And once I've output those, we can bring them over into the CNC software. Alright, so this is VCarve desktop. So I'll set up a new file. I've got a workspace at 24 by 24 roughly. And I've got it set to just under 1/4 of an inch thick. We're actually doing this on 3/16 Ultraboard. And then I'll import the first panel. And go in and create the tool paths. And I'm basically just creating the different tool paths, and I'm going to use this bit at the 3 steps, and we'll hit generate, and it will create the tool paths. You can do a quick preview and you can see the tool path movement, and we'll do this for each of the 3 panels. Basically then we'll close the preview tool path, and then we'll select it and we'll save it, and we've got it already set to save for our the G code for our Shapeoko, and we'll output each one of the files. Alright, so we kind of bypassed bringing the file into the CNC controller software, but this is basically starting the first panel. So as you can see, I'm doing 3 passes for the depth to get a clean cut. Obviously this is time-lapsed, and then I'm just checking this one to make sure everything looked good, and we're good, so I'm going to continue the job and get these going. Alright, so we're just finished up with the first tool set, and now we have loaded this second one in, and we've already started that one running. Alright, so we just finished the second board, now we're on the third board. And coming up, I'm going to show you a quick preview of the CNC, there you go, the CNC controller software, so you can kind of see the stuff that we see when we're seeing the CNC moving around. We're using BCNC. Alright, so we're just about done with this third panel. So I've already removed that, and basically this is just kind of a quick little preview. I've done other videos on this process for us, but this is just part of our video of cleanup and getting ready to put everything away, shutting down the CNC system, and then we'll just start loading our supplies that we keep with the router. There's a box of bits, some of our hold downs. And we've got some other supply items in the tote that I'm about to put on there. And then we'll put the wireless keyboard, turn that off, and then we reconnect our hoist lines and get ready to lift it back up to the ceiling. Again, if you haven't seen some of our other videos showing this part of the system, please go back and take a look at the YouTube videos on that. Basically just unplugging everything and getting it ready to put back up on the ceiling. So here I'm grabbing the hoist and up it goes. Unplug the video cable and then we're ready to put the sawhorses away and finish cleaning up. So I hope you enjoyed that. Saw a little bit of our process in making these. They're basically just going to use double-sided tape and adhere them to the wall around another big sign that they've got going up. So good application for that, lightweight, etc. So we offered to do it in acrylic, but this is what they wanted, so that's the way they went. Anyhow, hope you guys enjoyed. Please hit that thumbs up, give us a like, etc. You know, ring the bell, all the fun stuff. Anyhow, I hope you guys enjoyed again, and we will see you next time. Take care.